Hi tribe, I'm back with another nutrition video. People are always asking how I maintain my weight loss, and let me tell you, nutrition is king. But before I go any further, please make sure you're following me on all of my platforms: Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. All right, so one of the biggest things I do when I'm not able to work out is ensuring that my diet is on point, right? And you know, I hate eating the same things over and over and over. And a lot of personal trainers will give you a meal plan and expect you to eat that meal plan for months and months and months. And that's just not me. I have found that that is not sustainable for my lifestyle. And so one of my secret tips to maintaining and sustaining my weight loss is not having a boring diet. I love switching things up. I love trying new recipes. And for me, like, I just can't eat the same thing over and over and over again. And so in order to give you guys some awesome ideas, I wanted to drop my favorite salad recipe for you guys. So stay tuned. I found my favorite shrimp salad from tasty.com. It is the shrimp and avocado salad. It is bomb, you guys. I'm gonna walk you through the recipe. So it requires you to take a head of romaine lettuce, some cherry tomatoes, you want to take some fresh cilantro, avocado, and chop all of that up. You want to make sure you chop it pretty good, into bite-sized pieces, because who wants to eat an overly chunky salad? Now, the one thing that I really loved about this salad is that it also came with a homemade salad dressing. The homemade salad dressing is the bomb. All you do is add in your favorite olive oil, some honey, some chili powder, and voila, and some lime, and voila, you mix it on up, salt and pepper to taste, and boom, you guys got salad dressing, and it's homemade. The next thing you want to do is make sure you take some shrimp. My shrimp is peeled and already deveined because your girl is lazy, and I keep telling you guys I'm trying to save me some time. Anywho, I still go through those shrimp and make sure there's no shells or veins left within them, and I clean them, rinse them off, and season them. I like to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I might throw on some Cajun seasoning, some Old Bay seasoning, just to kind of spice it up. Last but not least, in order to give my salad a good crunch, I love using tortilla chips. The recipe calls for blue corn tortilla chips. I actually had a bag of just regular tortilla chips in my pantry, so I went with that. But the blue corn tortilla chips are just as good. I would say just pick up your favorite tortilla chips. Definitely try and choose a healthy option. My option is from Trader Joe's. Once I'm done chopping everything up, I layer my salad in the salad bowl. However, once I'm transferring from my big salad bowl to my small bowl that I'm going to eat, I like to toss my salad. Don't get any ideas. Anyways, I take my tossed salad, I drizzle it with my homemade salad dressing, I pop open my favorite bottle of wine, and relax. And boom, that is one of my top 3 light and refreshing favorite salads. If you guys have a banging salad recipe, please go ahead and shoot that my way. I'd love to give it a try. Up next, my carne asada recipe. So stay tuned for that. And as always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.